welcome to MedTech World Dubai 2025, and I'm here with Leo, CEO of Hy2Care. Thank you very much for being with us today.
I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Leo, so today we had the opportunity to see you on stage
Yes.
showcasing your company. So tell us about what is behind Hy2Care.
So Hy2Care's is a spin-off company from the University of Twente, which was already started in 2014. We've got our Series A investment 6 years ago and then really could make speed with our development. What we make is the CartiRegen Hydrogel implant. We repair cartilage in a very easy way, which is affordable, but also gives lasting results. So our implant is inserted in the cavity in the cartilage during a very simple orthopedic surgery. It is inserted while it is still in the liquid state. So very uniquely, it creates a plug that has exactly the shape of the defect in the cartilage. It has a very open structure and it quickly let it be proliferated by cells from the human body. So it's the patient's own cells that walk into the implant and then start rebuilding personalized, natural, natively formed cartilage tissue.
What inspired this idea?
It comes from the University of Twente, where the group of Professor CartiRegen, he has been working several decades already in that university, and it is really his baby, his child, his hydrogel platform.
Where this idea started? Where are you based?
We are based in the Netherlands, so Professor CartiRegen and his group is located at the University of Enschede. We still have a little office and a lab space there, but our main site is now down in the south of the country, in Geleen, where we have all the operations, the R&D and our head office.
Today we are in Dubai, so you're exploring the GCC. How are you seeing the market in this side of the world?
Yeah, we are very interested to also explore. That's really the reason that I'm here, to explore also the Middle East and Asian parts of the world. We are currently in a final stage of finishing our clinical trial in Europe. We have treated all the patients we need to do, and we are currently collecting all the data. Then we will go for market approval in Europe. We are preparing a clinical trial also in the US. But once we have CE marking, which we expect next year around this time, then we want to see if we can also enter other markets. And actually, I'm coming to Dubai because the Middle East, the Gulf region is the first region where we are looking into to see if we can create a partnership and bring our technology also to the people here.
What are those challenges when you are scaling a company? You already explored some other regions, so you have the experience.
Well, we have started to explore, and every country has its own culture, his own healthcare system, its own way of working. So I think the big challenge of scaling is to understand the way of doing business in all these countries, but also to getting to know the people, which obviously is for a big corporate pretty easy because they have a lot of people working for them. For us as a startup, you really have to approach that in a very smart way and use these kind of conferences to get to learn a lot of people from different disciplines and find partners.
Okay, Leo, good luck and see you around. Thank you very much again.